让我更往前走。可能这一次就是最后一次顺位，没有想过会这么快的就到这一步，也希望说在最后的这个时刻，然后大家都可以向前冲，希望我们都可以取得更好的成绩。
Sa lahat ng ating gawain, lagi natin siyang alalahanin upang hindi tayo maligaw ng landas. Buong puso nating gunitain ang mahal na araw.
Isang mapagpalang mahal na araw, mga kapuso, mula sa mga sumusunod.
30 years married, how do you guys do it? Connecting heart to heart and eye to eye. Paano pag lumabo ng mata? EO Executive Optical, expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Stop staring. Connecting with you, Dad. Love you. Love your eyes.
My ever best decision in life, without a question, is building a home together.
This Everbest moment is made possible by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
BM Extraordinary with MX3.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
希望我们都可以取得更好的成绩。谢谢。